YouTube fam, blessed day to you. Welcome once more to Debbie's Jamaican family. Kimmy is here with us today. She's behind the camera, and today we are not perfecting recipes. We are making some chicken wraps. So I am here making the tortilla dough, and I'm using, of course, my KitchenAid. And Kimmy, you will see her in the next clip. She will be doing the chicken. We're going to be making some chicken wraps. Next clip.
From scratch.
From scratch.
Guys, good morning. And we're making chicken wraps. So, with Debbie, I made the wrap and I am preparing the chicken. The chicken is already washed, cut, and seasoned. I'm going to throw it in my pot of oil right now. Guys, don't watch the oil because it's a little bit of oil. I don't like to use a lot of oil.
And anything you see here, this is how it is. This is, you don't know, so my kitchen always real.
Yeah.
Even if make it get too hot.
Well, I'm throw it in, just wash, make them
yeah.
season.
Oh, you season your chicken.
Yeah.
You cut it up fine. It's boneless, did you tell them?
Yeah, boneless breast.
Hold on here and they kill me. I'm still hungry. Let me do what? Let me get the food out of my hungry.
Not a car, because it's too hungry. It's too hungry somebody right now.
We're always hungry. I need to do lunch together. So Miss Debbie, oh, you cook and feed so much people and you're always hungry.
So, you don't know so when you cook your belly.
You don't know so when you when you do the whole heap of food. You're always.
So, make it go on down for me.
Okay, I'll make it brown up a little. I think it's turn on the stove still, you know.
If they are one.
If they are one. Yeah, we are recording. Did you know that? But I told them that anything they hear and see, that's how it is. It's a real kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Everybody's up and about doing stuff and so.
Yeah, show them.
Yeah.
So you look pretty, guys. Not a pot, only natural seasoning with little salt. Yeah. Catch you guys in another clip. Yeah, anchor for the food. Everybody can like. Yeah, well, no,
I am making my tortilla wrap, guys. This is just a little session for you to enjoy.
I will appreciate that.
Exactly.
However, you're making like me alone hungry right now.
Nobody ever say you alone hungry.
Yeah, turn off the music there, you know.
No, I don't have any.
I'm hearing some music. Are you sitting up player? Oh, no, please and thanks. So I am here. This is what I'm gonna be doing my wrap in.
Can you get some what do you call it?
It's a fish and meat. Put like a fish and meat in there. Give me the essence things so white, ma.
Let me tell you some more.
If it do nice in now, but I make cookie chicken till chicken and chicken breast done.
Yeah, but
So-
I want a little coloring.
So why you never do the coloring? So how comes you not
Whenever you
go
want
on with
it,
your ma?
I never want it to name with the coloring. Me that add the coloring to it. Like
No,
when
sir.
I do.
This a try get it up more. This a color now go and go.
It can go get dark, man. Watch and see.
But by the time it forget, this thing almost cooking up, Kimmy.
I know. You can just do me a favor, please. Can you pass the
What?
soy sauce? And
See
add
soy
little
sauce here. See it here. Here. Me never wish one this because this one look like the right one.
Turn that stove down.
roll,
But me,
roll,
aye, hello.
roll.
And
What?
me teach you not to make tortilla,
Roll.
but you not come now and teach me to make tortilla. But cook at all.
Roll.
But
Yeah.
nothing no wrong
You
because
have
me have
strength.
get old.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me have more
Look
strength.
your hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But I don't know cook food no finish am do.
Roll, man. Yeah, roll good, man. Yeah, do a good.
You not gonna really kill me.
I'm here to the chicken.
That's what she's here. That's she. That's she.
You don't want it.
Can you ever make them yet?
Yeah, man. What are you make it now?
Well, we are going to let her make one night cheese here. This clip, guys. Go on to wall. You know, come put the flour on it. So put the flour on it as an excitement.
Alright, go and rub your hand now.
So put
work
the-
out your hand. Yeah. Go on now.
Work out which hand.
No, your hand never work
But
out.
here she no put the flour on. Put the flour on like that excitement, like she know things.
So someone know if I make it.
Alright, come.
No, you are the remember me I did the chicken.
Yeah, man. Chicken done. Guys, me and my girls here this Saturday morning in the kitchen. We have, so we go on, you know. So we just give you a little, oh, when we go off camera. Some of them too, them can't put on YouTube. Them X-rated.
You always go X-ray.
Yeah. I always X-rated, but this look like some stress.
Roll out the something in your back.
I go do it out of. So come
Yeah, we can't even
yeah,
laugh.
I can't do something. Chicken are done already.
Then I mean, cook the chicken.
Sometimes you show people the chicken.
No,
done
them
already.
never see it. Remember, so we just show them when we put this in our pot. So guys,
Me not think
the
so,
chicken
because
is
you did
finished.
that, I go and do one for something the color
See
in
there?
the white chicken and you come back about say we are
So
show
look
them.
on it now, the color nice and thing. Miss Debbie job leave now, my job here is finished. So we're gonna motivate Miss Debbie to roll
You
and
can't
roll.
motivate, because I don't have sense. People don't have sense, you can't motivate them. Tortilla the long time. I never put no tortilla recipes on YouTube. I never put it on Patreon already.
Number one, you have so many more to go.
We hear that.
I cut out the vegetable.
One go do it, can you
They do all of them. Most of the things are just a chicken alone. And my
You not
job.
see that bubble up there. Go on. Yeah, big woman time family. Big woman tortilla, for me tortilla this. Yeah man, all them are go on, them can't stop me, you know. Them go on, them done me, then go on with all kind of thing. For me tortilla that. Whoa. Oh, my tortillas are so beautiful. They're so nice.
Who done them, Mister?
Eh?
Who done them?
Who done me?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Think I may go be a throw it back.
Me show me can't, me not gonna fall. Let's see. Yup. Yup. Show the people them. Don't play with me. Come here and Cobb. Don't play with Debbie. Don't play with Debbie, girl. Yeah. Don't play with Debbie, girl. Yeah, don't play with me. Come in Paris and tell them don't play with me. Next clap. So okay now fam, this is the finished. We have a chopped chicken, we have chopped lettuce and chopped tomato. Of course we have our tortilla, that is a must. And of course the girls have shredded our that mozzarella.
Yeah.
We have a dip. I requested a dip when eating. And this is the sauce to spread on the tortillas. Unfortunately, you will not be seeing us eat on this channel. So in the following clip, you will see them wrapping the tortillas together. Thanks for watching. It was a fun Saturday morning for me. This is how I do it with my girls sometimes. This is how I vibe with them. I try to let them feel love and them to make me feel love. In the kitchen, of course, you know, is our thing. So next clip.